What is in your hand?
It's a Galaxy S10 Plus.
Can you show us, please?
Okay.
No. Show me first the packet. Oh my God! It's S10 Plus. Is it Note 10 Plus? Can you see the background? Wow. Okay. So what gonna you do now?
Open it.
How? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my God! I'm so excited. Yeah. How you feel?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Oh my God.
The still is in not shop.
Oh. Oh, this mobile is still not in the shop. No, not like that. Okay, so what can I do?
Oh,
Mommy, can you give me one scissor or one thing?
okay. Scissor I give.
No, don't.
Wait.
Wait,
Scissor
wait,
I
wait.
give.
We have to cut this one first, like this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it the?
You know, this phone will become in the 27 August in Singapore.
Is it the true or no?
Yeah,
Is it the true?
yeah. Slowly. Don't push inside the bag. Okay, give it to me.
So my dad will do it, guys. Oh, look at
You
that.
put it like that. Okay. No, don't show me lah.
Then everyone will be embarrassed. Did you do it?
Wait.
Guys, my dad is actually doing it.
Okay, give it to me.
Okay. Time to open it.
Hey, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wait. Slowly. Not like that. Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Wow!
Look, it's a charger!
Whoa! Oh, is it headphone also? Can I see?
Oh,
Oh
my.
man!
Look!
It's a charger. It's a charger pad and some direction. Oh, this is the phone, right? Oh, still new tech. Oh man, it's really nice, man. See?
Whoa! Can we
Really
hang
nice.
it?
No, later we have to do something.
Whoa!
So say bye. Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys!